Rainy days are nature's way of cleansing the soul. Greetings to you. Rain has a unique way of reconnecting us with our memories of the past. It can remind us of the joy we felt as children when we danced in puddles, or the warmth we shared with loved ones while sheltering under an umbrella. The sound of raindrops falling gently on roofs and windows, the earthy scent of wet soil, and the refreshing breeze that follows can trigger a flood of memories, transporting us back in time. We are reminded of moments that hold sentimental value, and we feel a sense of timelessness, isn't it? As rain falls, it washes away the monotony of our daily routine, exposing the emotional landscape of our memories. We are immersed in a cascade of emotions that bridge the gap between the present and the treasured past. Rain invites us to see the world anew, appreciating the beauty in the simple yet mesmerizing dance of the water droplets. In this moment, even ordinary scenes sparkle with the magic of liquid jewels. It helps us to see the world differently and appreciate the beauty in the simple yet mesmerizing way. So, my dear friends, let us all be reminded that even in the ordinary, there is extraordinary beauty waiting to be noticed. Have a beautiful day ahead and enjoy the rain. Thank you for listening.